What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to write the molecular formula or chemical formula for calcium hydroxide, calcium from group 2, which is calcium Ca2+, and hydroxide is polyatomic ion, which is OH -1. So when you want to write the molecular formula, you write CaOH, and this one is 2, so it's gonna sit here, and 1 is gonna sit here. So calcium hydroxide is CaOH2. So I hope you liked this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can find out lots of playlists regarding different topics in chemistry and math and other sciences. Thank you.